the woods. No, this is our backyard. You see, guys, I found something strange in our backyard. Like, something weird has been going on. Like, I saw the news or videos. Well, I thought a Slender Man actually, yeah, because they posted a video of something. Oh. Is it just me, or I'm not the only one seeing that paper over there? Wait, what paper? Oh, that paper over there? Oh, that's a page. Oh. I'll hold the camera. Crap. Oh. What the heck is a page doing here? Hey, Chica, can you take it? Yeah. This is good. Okay. Don't worry, guys. I have it. Okay. What is that noise? I don't know. Well, it didn't came from anything. We'll start just walking around. What the heck is those footsteps coming from? I don't know. I don't know either. Well, Chica, could we, go to... Well, I'm not gonna go over there because I guess something's back there. Back there? Oh, come on, Enderman, let's just leave Chica here. Well, you can't just leave me here. Bro, that's a first page, but aren't there supposed to be 8? Well, yeah. What, is that Chica? Oh, yeah, it should be Chica, yeah. Chica, where did she go? Hey, there's the page. Oh, the page that we first collected? Yeah, Chica took it. Why is it laying on the ground? I don't know, but we should take it. I'll put it in my pocket. Oh my gosh, Enderman, something's weird is going on. Like, Chica screamed in a really weird pitch scream. And, by the way, those footsteps are really creeping me out. I know. Well, I'm holding this camera. Oh, there's another page. Oh, another one. Leave me alone. Not leave me alone. Leave me alone. Yeah, that's what it said. Some kid must have put it there. Some kid must have put it there. Just put it in my pocket. Honey, you put it in your pocket? Yeah, I did. Now that's 2 pages. Is there someone behind us? Let me check. Oh my god! Okay, who the heck was that? Bro, I don't know! Hold on, where's the 3rd page? Okay, is he still behind us? No. Where did he go? Oh look, the 3rd page. What does it say? Always watches, no eyes. And there's a space between there, like, no, yes. No, yes. Like, who would write this? Like some kid was put there. So are we gonna take it or not? Well, where's the... Hey, bro. I guess it's not following us. Bro. Oh, wait, I forgot. Let's switch. Okay. Bro, was that who I think it is? Who? Slenderman? Look, I thought he wasn't real. Well, we looked behind us and we saw him. I know, but... Crap, Bonnie, can't believe I'm saying this, but you're right, Bonnie. Where's the 3rd page? Look, there's another page. Yeah. How come we never picked that page? What the heck? Well, what? I thought we saw him. Well, I got scared and run away because you screamed. That's because I saw him. just have to do is just collect 8 pages. Yeah, bro. If you saw the videos. Oh, so what now, bro? Let's get the Dell out of here. Okay.